Okay, hey, Martin here from Ice Helicopters, here with my buddy Hugh, who, well, doesn't need any introduction really, but probably the most well-known and experienced Robinson, well, or any pilot helicopter pilot in the world. And we're very excited, as we all are, because this is the first cadet that's going to a pure training school, R44 Cadet. It's just about to unbox, and Hugh, as they're doing it, is going to give you a couple of quick facts as to why we think this is the future of training for the helicopter pilots in the future.
Yeah, it's extraordinary that people haven't gotten on to the cadet properly yet, and it's terrific to see it here. It's going to give flying schools a huge edge. It's an extremely economic and reliable aircraft, and it has huge margins, so it's going to be a game changer in helicopter flying, and it's ideal for self-fly hiring. 2 people, anyone taking an R22 can now take a cadet, and the economics are excellent, the life of the aircraft is excellent, the reliability is excellent, and it's an extremely proven type of helicopter.
Well, why do you think that Robinson, being the absolute leaders in training, why do you think they went and did this when they had the 22, the 44, the 60? Why go create a 44 with no back seats? What was the...
Yeah, I think they wanted to make a 2-seater that was just definitively the best training aircraft out there. And I'd always thought that, you know, an R44 has been flown around and it's been used for 2 people to be training, and it really could benefit from being just a 2-seater R44, which is the way most R44s are used anyway. You can suddenly have extra life and extra reliability, huge margin compared to any competitors, huge margin over an R22.
And I always think that when we get in an aeroplane, that we always hear the pilots say our primary concern is for your safety, but they also want us to be comfortable. And one of the things that attracted me to it was the fact that here is the margins, particularly also of an R44, but at costs that are not actually that much more than a cabin, which we're not massive fans of. They've got their place. But I always read that Frank never really meant the 22 to be a trainer. And so is that some of it, that now Robinson in the future want to have a proper trainer? Is that some of it?
Yeah, sure. I think the R22 was terrific for personal transport. And it does sharpen you up when you're learning to fly it. But an R44 trainer, it just gives you so much margin. It's such an, and also, of course, if you learn flying in an R44, which cadet now is much more economic, you are then into the family of the Robinson. And most helicopters you're ever going to fly in the future, the most practical helicopters for personal use, are Robinsons. So really, you want to learn, if you can learn to fly a Robinson, you can then fly an R66.
And we talked before about the 66, you and I at length. We got one of the very first 66s with the full Garmin kit from you 18 months ago, which we love. And you said to me then that actually they're an incredible machine. Well, they are an incredible machine. One of the things we think is a nice benefit of this is that when you get in a 66 from a cadet, it's not that big a step ahead, it's not that big a difference in flying experience.
Yeah, it's you're part of the family, so you already know how to fly effectively this machine.
Are we about to see we're going to see the sides and see the colour of this this beauty. Serial number 30047. Wow! Look at that! Look at that colour! So
this is quite exciting because this is basically the first flying school that's worked out that this is the most efficient way to deliver training. R44 Cadet, first one online in a training school environment in the UK. And I think it's going to be a revolution.